Hello everyone, start off by taking a bottle cap, then add clay to one side of it so that it does not make the sizzle. Then cut out these two circular shapes, make it into a snowman and then stick the bottle cap behind it and then watch as it tilts. Next, take this particular sheet of paper, make it into a conical shape and then add tape all around. Stick leaves all around it as such until you reach the top. Now, keep it aside and then take a small wooden piece, add some glue to it and then stick this conical shape on top and there you have a Christmas tree. Next, take a blue circular sheet of paper, take an empty egg crate and then cut out the base of each of them. Paint it in white and then stick it onto your blue circular sheet of paper. Also stick a layer of white and then stick two more pieces over there as well. Now add hands and legs to it, add a little scarf as well to each of them. Add little cute facial expressions as well and then stick snowballs all around. Take a broken eggshell and then paint it in a particular color and then break it. Then draw down the shape of a vase and then stick them together. Now add a branch of a little plant and then stick it onto your white circular sheet of paper. Take multiple balls of clay and then make flowers out of it. Next, start off by cutting out the frame of the bark of a tree. Add tape on one of the ends and then in the sticky section of it, take multiple leaves, cut it up and then stick it onto these sheets of paper. Add it in multiple layers as such and then this is what it should look like. Next, cut out the frame of a heart. Now line it with tape as such and then stick it onto a branch. Add a little bow at the bottom and then stick flowers all around the frame. Finally, this is what it should look like. Next, take a black rectangular sheet of paper, then take multiple wooden sticks. Stick two of them together and make a square frame. Add tape on one of the ends and then on the sticky side, begin to stick some green clay as the base to make the ground. Then make cylindrical shapes out of green clay and then curve them slightly. Add blue balls all around as such. Then make flowers out of your shapes and then add them all around. Next, take some leaves and then make a knot out of them. Stick one on top of the other before you do so and then knot the top to make the antenna. Once you are done with this, open it up slightly, you may even tear it in the middle. Then take a marker and then make multiple lines on it. Make the pattern on it as decorative as possible. Next, take a little branch and then add tape on a black circular sheet of paper. Add tape all along a curved line as such and then stick leaves all around. Then cut out this little shape out of a leaf that is of a hedgehog. Then add on eyes a cute little smile and then add tape to the top. Add a little apple at the bottom as such. Next, spray on using a toothbrush some yellow paint onto a black circular sheet of paper. Mix in 3 colors of clay. We have first chosen yellow, red and then white. Do this with multiple different colors and then stick them all over your sheet. Then make it into planets. In order to make this, start off by drawing an apple and then color it in red. After you're done coloring it, add it into a Ziploc bag its size. Then trace out its shape. Then take this particular sheet of paper, fold it up firstly horizontally and then make the diagonal fold out of it. Reverse it and then fold it once more. Now make a cut out of it and once you open it, it should look like a star. There you have it. Next, we'll be learning how to make this candy heart. For this, start off by cutting out the frame of a heart, add tape all around it. Then stick candies all around it as well. Once you are done with this, make a bow shape out of some ribbon. Then add it to the top of it. Once you are done with this, add a little center to it and hang it up as you please. Next, start off by taking some clay. Take a little empty jelly tub, add little colorful balls at the base of it and then take that clay, fold it up into a ball and then stick it all around your clay jelly. Then after this, make small little lines all around it as such. Add little yellow dots all around as well and add a green base. Thank you for watching.